Okay, so have you seen this? You seen it? Okay, what is it? You know, you guys really get to me because when you say you've seen some of the items, and then I'm like, what is it? You can't tell me. You can't tell. What is this then? All right, you don't know. All right. So, this is the Paris Serum. 6 benefits in one: refined texture, even tone, firm, hydrate, smooth, and brighten by global beauty. Okay, now you may be saying, Dina, what is it, that you've been putting on your face? Now, let me tell you something. Dollar Tree had this retinol, okay, this serum. I don't even know if they have it at this Dollar Tree. I know they did because this was the Dollar Tree that I purchased it from, but I don't see it anymore here. Okay, and it was $1.25. Really, really good. And I know some of you guys say, you know what, Dina, you're supposed to use that at nighttime. And I was just thinking, somewhere in my mind, I was like, well, how would the retinol know between the day and the night? That's what I said. I asked myself that. I said, how would the retinol know? Okay. Now, right now is winter. Okay. It's not like the sun is out and my face is sweating. Okay. So I said, you know what? I'm going to put it on in the daytime. Now, and I'm quite sure a bunch of you guys leave your comments down below and say why that's not a good idea. Okay. Hey. Oh, wait, hold on, child. Hold on. Wait 1 second. Hold on. Oh, no, I thought this was it. This definitely isn't. Is it? I got to go home and look. But normally, if you come to Dollar Tree and you see this, like this is the multi-peptide anti-aging serum. This is $1.25. Okay. Some more items, okay? Bear with me. Stick with me. Roll with me. Let's go. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so, honey, I had to come on back home. My phone. Okay, we ain't gonna talk about that. Listen, so this is. Remember I said it's some stuff that I use for my face and it's retinol? Okay, so this is the stuff that I was talking about, okay? I use this once a day, and sometimes I go in between days. Sometimes I forget, okay? But to me, this is very, very moisturizing, to say the least, all right? This is $1.25. It is double strength retinol night repair serum. Flawless, younger, perfect. That's what it says on here. A carefully formulated blend of ingredients to address the most common concerns of aging and support the skin's natural exfoliation process. Okay, powerful results, less irritation, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, unclogged pores. Now, what really got me with this, and it also has like free of parabens, and is there sulfates? I think so. Skin nutrition botanicals. Now, what really got me to buy this was it said that it is compared to one of Amazon products like this. Okay. And that product that Amazon sells, the retinol, the retinol serum, is like $5 to $6. This was $1.25. So yeah, so this is what I pretty much use. So when you go to Dollar Tree, if you see it with you see the red, okay, line going across. If you see this one, this is the one I use. They also have the blue one. The blue one at Dollar Tree, I haven't used that one. Okay, but this one, honey, holy grail. Okay, holy grail, child. Say it with me, holy grail. All right. Watch the next clip. Okay? I love you guys. All right? I love you guys. You know I just joke sometimes. I just be joking. All right? Okay? I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Honey, I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get. Your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Okay? Honey, you want the outside to change, but you ain't putting in the work to change the inside. Honey, you know what we call that? We call that insane. You remember that song, Insane in the Midbrain? Okay, now I know that was a song, but honey, that's how you showing up. Okay? In order for our outside to change, okay, we have to do the change. We have to be the change that we wish to see. Okay? Now, from the background, you guys probably couldn't see. Okay, I'm at Dollar Tree in a place to be. All right, okay, Dina is on the mic feeling herself like the fabulous MC. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's go inside and see what they had. All right. Now, I heard that they was going to have some good items, okay? So I'm excited for you and I, okay, to say the least. I'm looking everywhere on the phone. Now, let's see. Okay, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is moving their feet to the beat. I think that you're going to like this. Well, in fact, I know you're going to like this, okay? You know how I know you're going to like this? Because you're a fancy pantsy Mancy, Lancy, okay? And don't get it twisted, because your name ain't Mancy. Don't she deliver us? Okay, let's get into this. So first up, Dollar Tree has these mushroom solar steak likes. Now, we had seen one the other day, and it was this green. So you guys know green is my thing, like a chicken wing, okay? Really, really cool. These are $1.25, and of course they have the flower ones. We had seen this, last time. These are $1.25 as well. Comes in different colors, and then they also have the smuggler regular solar steaks, okay, which are $1.25 as well. All right, now get into it. Now they also have the butterflies over here. Okay, solar steaks $1.25 as well. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Really cool. All right, listen, you guys have seen the LA Colors Wildflowers. All right, now we're going to run through this real quick again, okay? So this is the shadow sticks over here, different colors, fancy pantsy Mancy. The green is definitely looking like Lancy, okay? They also have the auto lip liners over here. There's different colors, and somebody had put the lip plumpers, okay? Really, really cool. Absolutely love these, all right? And then they also have the lip crayons over here, okay, that comes in different colors. Absolutely love these. My fave is the Peace and Love, okay, the Peace and Love. They had another one. This is the shadow stick, okay. This is the Rebloom, okay, like reborn, like you're gonna have to reborn, you're gonna have to renew your mind, okay, in time. All right, $1.25. So if you feel like maybe you felt like, oh, I left out, I was left out on these items. Hydrate and lip balm, okay, just for girls, non-toxic, kid friendly. This is so cute. Mixed berry, we seen this, okay, but I'm just gonna let you re-see it. All right, this is $1.25. They also have the strawberry. Get into this. Isn't this cute? $1.25 as well. They also have the cotton candy honey, $1.25. Now, we had seen these hand sanitizers last time. All right, now, although some of you guys, you're still looking for Touchland dupes. Honey, I haven't seen the Touchland dupe hand sanitizers at Dollar Tree in a minute, okay? It's probably been a few months, but maybe they'll roll them back out. Maybe, okay? They had these hand sanitizers, though, green apple, watermelon scented, lemon scented. These are $1.25. And then let's see what else they have. Oh, they have some more new items. Check them out. We have the Hydrate and Night Lip Mask. This is $1.25. Absolutely love this, okay? I never tried this before, but the reason I love it is because Hydrate and Night Mask, honey, just the sound of it. Do you hear it? The Hydrate and Night Mask, okay? To me, in my opinion, I think that's a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have the cuticle oil and nail strengthener. Now, I had seen this before. This is $1.25. Okay, I guess Dollar Tree brought a lot of those back here. Okay, all right. Okay, so somebody got the memo. All right, so Dollar Tree has this lip plumper. Now, they have on here, Linda. Now, don't you go being fast. You remember when your mother used to call you fast? Okay, my mama never called me fast. But maybe some people, mothers, used to call them fast. But they have this lip plumper right here, right? This is a hot alert. This is $1.25, and they letting you know, like, look, feel the spicy heat. Get the plumped lips, but you're gonna feel that heat if you want them plump lips. Okay, this is $1.25. All right. Listen, Linda. Now, you guys, if you don't know, my favorite color is, red right now. And of course, okay, duh, right? This red right here, this is Eton, okay? Lip Plumper Gloss. Now, me personally, I love a matte finish, more so than a glossy finish, than a satin finish. But they also have this lip plumper, a hot alert, they letting you know. And this is the pink one. I like the neutral colors. You get what I'm saying? The ones that look more natural, okay? This would definitely come in second place. These are $1.25, still deal like Holyfield. Dollar Tree also have this moisturizer lip gloss, okay? Glossy finish, all right? Really, really cool. Absolutely love this color. Nice. They also have that bright pink in there, okay? Those are pretty much the two colors they have. That's $1.25. All right, remember a few months ago Dollar Tree had the bubble boba milk tea lip gloss? Okay, so they brought it back, and this is from B Color. This is chocolate scented. Then they also have the blueberry scented, more chocolate scented. Yeah, so it appears that it's just chocolate and blueberry scented.